Hey guys, Andreas Kolb here from Continental Atherton Racing, and today we're going to do a bike check here in Val Di Sole. So I would say let's start with the frame. Still wrapped in Visi frame from Leger. We say we're going to keep it because it looks really good, I would say, and Val Di Sole is a tough track. Easy to have a little crash or something, so it's good if the frame is protected. To the facts of the frame, I'm on a 480 reach with a 455 chainstay and a 63.5 head angle, that's it. Something you maybe can't really see, we got a little weight on the bottom of our frame. We just found out it's a bit more stable on high-speed stuff, and yeah, I'm a big fan of it. Bit more confidence on the high-speed sections on the World Cup tracks. Tires, we're on Continental. I really like to ride the Argotage, which you can see here. It's actually an intermediate tire, but on loose tracks like Andorra, for example, was, or I think this one will be again. I really like this tire because it goes deeper into the ground, and just the braking is insane. I never had a tire like this, which is slowing down so well. So yeah, I'm really stoked on this. And no tire inserts, not needed on Conti. Everything mounted on the Stance Flow EX3 alloy, which I'm also a big fan of. A bit more flex than carbon wheels, and yeah. Next thing, Fox suspension, pretty much everything original. I'm on 5 tokens with around, if it's a slow track, 90 psi, fast track up to 95, 96 psi, and a 500 spring on the back. Also a thing I think everybody's always looking at on our bikes is the Trickstuff Maxima. Pretty special brake, pretty much the most powerful brake I've ever ridden. You actually only need a 200mm rotor because it's so powerful, and yeah, it's really cool. Just crazy much power and good to control. Cockpit, we're on FSA gradient cockpit alloy bars for me because I just like the feeling a bit more, and a 45mm stem, and the bars are on 780mm. We also use FSA on the cranks, alloy ones, FSA seat stay, and chain ring, cassette. Like, yeah, pretty good stuff. Another thing on the drivetrain is the O-chain. I'm on the 9 degree one. I maybe go to the 12 degree on this one, because it's such a rough track and pedaling is not that important. So yeah, that's definitely a good thing on this track. Another thing on the cockpit, we got the Odi Grips. I think these ones are called Flow, if I'm right. Riffle on the bottom and just clean on top. I literally ride them on every bike. Yeah, perfect feeling. We got mud hug on the front, which I just use in every conditions, because I think it's also in dry conditions helpful with dust and everything. And here we got the Mallet downhill pedals from Crankbrothers, still the ones from Worlds because I just think they look really cool. I got the pins not too far out, I think few people ride it further out, and I like to set up my cleats so they're pointing to my big toe, so it's like your knees like turning a bit to the outside. Bit more like duck stand, I would say. And yeah, so yeah, that's it. Bike check done, and let's go racing.